The Israeli government says there's no humanitarian crisis in Gaza, but social and medical workers disagree. Speaking to my colleague Nick Clark a little earlier, John Ging from the United Nations Relief and Work Agency says the situation in Gaza is catastrophic.
We have a catastrophe unfolding in Gaza for the civilian population. The people of Gaza City and in the north have now no water. That comes on top of having no electricity. They're trapped, they're traumatized, they're terrorized by this situation. They don't even have television to see what's going on because they have no electricity. Mobile phones are not working because they cannot charge them. They're in their homes, they're not safe, they're being killed and injured in very large numbers. And they have no end in sight. The inhumanity of this situation, the lack of reaction or action to bring this to an end, is again bewildering to them. So it is a catastrophe, and it comes at the end of months and months of a commercial and humanitarian embargo on Gaza, where supplies of food and medicine and other vital supplies have been in critically low amounts. So people just have no stockpiles. It really is very difficult to convey in mere words just how bad the situation is for the ordinary people.
And what's the situation like on the ground for your people, the people working to help, and those of other agencies?
Well, in conflict, of course, the real heroes are the medical workers, the ambulance drivers, the people who are out there trying to distribute aid and assistance. These are brave people. We couldn't ask them to do what they're doing, and we've had staff injured during this period in the crossfire. It's very, very difficult, very, very dangerous. But it's, of course, essential that these emergency operations continue, because without them, the civilian death toll, the hardship and misery will be even worse than it is today.